Hi guys, Kevin here. Today I'm excited to walk you through the best discrete manufacturing ERP software options for 2024. If you're in industries like automotive, machinery, or electronics, you know just how important it is to manage your materials, production, and inventory efficiently. A solid ERP system can really make or break your operations. So in this video, I'll break down the top tools on the market, explain who they're best for, and help you figure out which one might fit your business. Okay, let's talk about why discrete manufacturing needs ERP. Discrete manufacturers deal with parts and components like car parts, electronics, or custom machines. This means handling detailed bills of materials, managing supplier timelines, and keeping up with shifting customer demands all at once. But with a good ERP system, things get a lot easier. It helps you manage inventory, predict what customers will need, and keep production smooth. This way, you can avoid mistakes or delays that could cost you time and money. First up, Delmiaworks is a great choice for manufacturers doing high-volume, made-to-stock production. It helps manage material costs with smart demand forecasting that looks at past sales and orders. One cool feature is its what-if scenario analysis. You can predict a sudden increase in demand and see how it will affect labor and supplier schedules. Pricing is about $250 per user each month with a minimum of 5 users. It's a solid option for industries like consumer electronics or home goods. Next up is Acumatica Manufacturing Edition. This is a solid choice for companies that make products to order. It has a product configurator that makes handling custom orders easy. It guides customers through the right product options and catches mistakes as they happen. Once the order is finalized, the system connects directly to the bill of materials. This ensures the correct materials and finishes are used every time. Pricing starts at about $3,500 per month for up to 10 users. However, keep in mind that implementation fees can be pricey and might end up being twice the yearly cost. Xtuple, best for engineer to order. Now, if you're working on engineer to order projects where designs keep changing, Xtuple is a great choice. It has tools to manage different versions of your bill of materials so you can test new designs without disrupting production. You can even create work orders for older versions if a customer asks for them. Plus, pricing starts at around $175 per user each month. The final cost depends on your hosting and support options. It's especially useful for custom machinery manufacturers who need solid quality control and reliable tracking. For aerospace and defense manufacturers, SAP S/4HANA is a top choice. It comes with powerful tools to manage complex bills of materials. You can break down something like an aircraft into propulsion systems, avionics, and sensors easily. It even helps you handle product variations and compare different configurations. This makes it easier to avoid changes that could mess up other setups. On the pricing side, it's on the higher end. Hosted subscriptions start at about $20,000 per month. For on-premise licenses, it's over $200,000. Because of the cost, it's best suited for large global companies. Finally, there's ECI M1. It's built for electronics manufacturers who work with global suppliers. Its MRP module helps you stay on top of lead times by setting deadlines and keeping track of jobs across different locations and parts. While the interface looks a bit old school, it still gives you clear updates on job statuses and session progress. This is super helpful for avoiding delays or bottlenecks. Pricing starts at about $3,000 per month. The total cost depends on how many users you have, the size of your business, and the level of support you need. All right, that's a wrap on the best discrete manufacturing ERP software of 2025. I hope this was useful, and if it was, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips on software. And if you're looking for help using the right ERP, leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.